Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and today I'm taking a closer look at a very popular wheel and tire kit here on the site, consisting of the American Muscle magnetic style wheel in gloss black in a 20 by 8.5 inch sizing and plus 30 millimeter offset, wrapped in the very budget-friendly Atturo AZ850 ultra high performance tire in a squared 255/35R20 sizing, and that will be available for all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs. Now, this setup will be a super affordable way for S550 owners out there to get an aggressive looking factory inspired wheel design on their ride, along with that square stance, which does give owners the flexibility to properly rotate their tires over time, and that will help you guys get the most mileage possible out of the Atturos. Now, this kit will feature free mount and balance and will fit on all S550s without rubbing, even if you're lowered up to 2 inches. So again, this kit is going to be for the 2015 through 2023 Mustang owners out there looking to go with one of the most affordable combinations here on the site to deliver that aggressive look through the factory-inspired design. Now, even though the site refers to these as the magnetic style wheel, they're actually going to be more reminiscent of the foundry style wheel also found on the early S550s. Now, those foundry style wheels featured the same split 5-spoke design, but those spokes are going to be a little wider here, and they do feature a little bit of a flare, if you will, towards the rim of the wheel or the lip of the wheel itself, and that is going to be the case with these options. Now, those foundry wheels were originally finished in a machine finish, but as you can see, our AM wheels are offered in gloss black, and I think that helps deliver a more aggressive look. Now, as far as the offset is concerned, well, the plus 30 millimeter offset is going to be similar to stock and will live comfortably in the wheel well without a ton of poking or flushness. Now, moving to the Atturo AZ850 tire, well, that's going to be a super affordable high performance tire with very favorable reviews here on the site, and that tire will prioritize warm, dry traction and handling over cold, wet traction due to the softer compound. Now, because this is a square setup, meaning you have the same width wheel and tire on all 4 corners, owners will have the ability to properly rotate these tires over time, which isn't possible when you go with a staggered setup and put those wider tires in the back. Now, moving into our construction block, and the AM magnetic style wheels that we have here today, guys, they're going to feature a durable and lightweight cast aluminum build. And this particular set, given that gloss black finish, is also going to feature the included gloss black AM center caps. Also, quick heads up, guys, owners who are considering this set should definitely also consider grabbing a brand new set of black spline or hex lug nuts for these wheels, as the lug nut holes are going to be a little bit smaller than those found on your factory wheels, so therefore your factory lugs will not fit. Now, talking about tires here, again, you are getting the AZ850 from Atturo. It's a pretty impressive performance-based tire for owners who want to stick to a tight budget. Now, Atturo does refer to this tire as an ultra high performance tire, but they stop short of saying whether it's a summer or all season. However, judging by the soft compound and the tread wear rating of 320, that's going to tell us this tire is certainly going to prefer warmer temperatures as opposed to colder traction. Now, the tire is asymmetrical, guys, and that is designed for maximizing the contact patch and increasing your traction. Now, the large center rib here on the Atturo will add stability, while the oversized shoulder blocks will help with things like turn-in and cornering ability. Finally, the 255/35R20 sizing will fit on all S550 Mustangs, even if you've lowered your ride 2 inches. All right, now moving to our pricing segment. We've said it a few times throughout the video. We'll say it one more time here. Definitely going to be a very affordable combination on the site, keeping it in that lower price bucket here overall. A couple things to keep in mind: that price does include free mount and balance, which is awesome. You can either have them mounted and balanced here in our warehouse at AmericanMuscle.com, or we can ship them to your local tire store and pick up the mount and balance tab for you. Totally up to you guys at the end of the day. Now, another thing to consider, these packages do not include any brand new TPMS sensors. So you want to strongly consider adding those to your wheel and tire combo to avoid that TPMS light on your dash. And again, don't forget about those lug nuts we talked about a bit earlier. You are grabbing a gloss black wheel. It would make all the sense in the world to grab a matching set of gloss black lugs either hex or spline, both of which we do offer here at AM. Now, moving into the installation portion of today's video, site's gonna go 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking about 30 minutes or so to get everything in place from start to finish. Obviously, you're gonna need a jack or a lift or something to get the car in the air, along with the socket set and an impact gun to remove and then reinstall those lug nuts. Make sure to use that wheel key if you do grab a spline set of lugs, and as always, guys, never a bad idea to have a torque wrench on hand to torque your lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds here on the S550. Well, that is gonna wrap up our video again for the AM magnetic style wheel shown in gloss black in a 20 by 8.5 inch sizing and plus 30 millimeter offset, wrapped in the Atturo AZ850 tire in that squared 255/35R20 sizing. And again, that is available for all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.